everybody, welcome back to my channel. And it's been a little minute. I've been doing a lot of different stuff, but I'm glad to be back to talk to y'all. Today I'm doing a look of a Coachella inspired look. As you can see, I've got my hair. So real quick, you guys, I'm just gonna quickly blow through this tutorial. I didn't get to actually record my voice while doing this tutorial, so I'll do a voiceover. So right here I'm just using this Sephora brush, eyebrow pencil actually, which unfortunately, would you believe, they stop or discontinue making it. I cannot find it anywhere, but it is absolutely amazing. So I'm just kind of trying to make it stretch, holding on to it for dear life pretty much. So pretty much from here, I love to just go in with this Clinique Surge moisturizer and just moisturize my eyelids, kind of prep it. Then of course I'm gonna prime it, of course, with my Fenty primer. By the way, you guys are listening to my single Disguise. Check it out, it's streaming everywhere. Then from there, I'm going in with my concealer. Just use it as a base for my eyelids. Then I'm pretty much just buffing everything out with my foundation brush. Then I'm going to use this tapered brush and pretty much pat my setting powder, Fenty setting powder, in the color of, what is it, banana? Banana. Then one of my favorite palettes, the Naked, and I'm going in with this really nice shimmer. I forgot what it's called, but I pretty much just use it to highlight my brow bone pretty much. And yeah, this is also one of my other favorite palettes. It's my Ray Ray. If you've been watching my tutorials, you will know that this is my go-to. So pretty much I just use these two lip gloss here. I am gonna use them to kind of set kind of like an eyeliner underneath my eyes, just to try to capture the colors that are in my braids. Because when you think of Coachella and you think of festival season, you just kind of think of bright colors, you know, outgoing, bold looks. So that's pretty much where I was going with this. Unfortunately, even though we don't know when again we're going to see road for go touch festival and all them things there, but you know, we can only hope for the best. So this is me just bringing a little sunshine and ray into the darkness, I guess. So yeah, I pretty much just moisturize. Now I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, my go-to. I love this. When you're leaving, please take your feelings. I don't want them roaming no more. Wish I could have get a refund from the store. We sell the fake things them. So I'm just now adding a little bit of my concealer under the eyes, a little bit on my nose, just to kind of highlight. This is my way of pretty much contouring. That's what them call it, contour. I don't know nothing about that, but yeah, this is pretty much what I'm doing. This is my moment of realizing my makeup is starting to slay. Look, them skin shedding. I don't want what you're selling. Backstabbing waist in a face, you smiling. Mix up thing, no come round ya. Bad mind thing, go all the corner. Come with a mouth full of lies. What's in the dark must come to the light. Now, for the blush, we're going in with Kylie. Love this one. Now we're going in with a Fenty highlighter. My favorite go-to highlighter is the Hustler Baby. Tell your stories, you can't keep it. Telling these lies for no reason. When you're leaving, please take your feelings. I don't want them roaming no more. Wish I could have get away from the start. We still a few things them. But me tell you that it's play things them. So I pretty much did the same thing here. I just used both colors, one on top and one on the bottom of my lips. I just did like the purple, and then the other on the bottom I just pretty much used the pink. So yeah. Don't know why I'm surprised. You are wolf in a disguise. Why you tell all these lies? Don't know why I'm surprised. You are wolf in a disguise. Why you tell all these lies? So that's it, you guys, for my get ready with me tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and enjoy this look. I'm gonna give y'all a little snow mo. Again, don't forget to subscribe and join the family, you guys. See you next time. Bye.